Familiar names from the financial crisis were on the stand today at former AIG CEO Hank Greenberg's trial against the government over the terms of the insurance giant's bailout. Former Treasury Secretary Timothy Geithner ended his testimony while former Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke began his. Mary Thompson has more from Federal Claims Court in Washington. Mary, what happened in court today?
Well, you know, it was interesting to watch Bernanke's testimony today, Tyler, because he appeared vaguely annoyed and slightly combative when he took the witness stand. He replied to the questions from the lead plaintiff's attorney, David Boyce, with curt answers like, yes, sir, and I don't recall. But he did defend the government's actions with the AIG bailout, saying the tough terms of the $185 billion rescue package were needed to compensate taxpayers for the risks that they were taking and to minimize any windfall that shareholders may have received because of the government's actions. Bernanke was on the stand for about 2.5 hours today. He returns to Federal Claims Court tomorrow for more testimony. Susie?
Yeah, Mary, David Boyce spent a lot of time when he was grilling Bernanke on the equity portion of the bailout. Tell us what that was all about.
Well, this is key to the shareholders' lawsuit. They say that their Fifth Amendment rights were violated when the government didn't adequately compensate them for what became a 92% stake in AIG that the government took. So Boyce was repeatedly asking Bernanke, why did you take this equity stake? Did you know that a loan rate in 2008 included equity? Bernanke said no. Loan rates only include interest rates, so Boyce pushed him. But what about this equity stake? He said it was taken in order, again, to protect taxpayers who were assuming so much risk.
Boyce has had three big names in court this week, Bernanke and the former Treasury Secretaries, Mr. Paulson and Mr. Geithner. What is it he's trying to show the court with his questioning? Where is he going?
What he is trying to do, Tyler, is paint a picture of a government or government officials that really didn't do proper analysis on the value of AIG and its subsidiaries. And as a result, they put together this kind of slapdash agreement. They didn't ask the proper questions. They didn't seek any kind of outside analysis, when they put this rescue package together. So that is what Boyce is trying to show, that the government, when it had these excessive powers to use, they did not use the proper due diligence to create a rescue package that, again, did not treat the AIG shareholders fairly.
All right, Mary Thompson, thank you very much. Mary reporting from Washington tonight.